Hey everyone, this is John Link at Apache Village RV Center. I want to tell you a little bit about one of our clearance units we have here on the lot. This is a 2018 Keystone Springdale Summerland Series 2020 QB. We have this unit priced ready to sell. If you and your family are looking for something lightweight that's in great shape, look no further. This one's priced at $17,000 out the door, dock fee included. We'll make sure it's full of propane, make sure the appliances, the batteries are working well for you, test everything out. We also have a few upgrades on this unit. It has a backup camera. We have 5 Goodyear Endurance tires with a 6-year warranty. These tires are made in America, best tires you can get on a camper. Already installed on here, tire shined and ready to go. Nice automatic awning. And if you look in here, this floor plan is extremely popular. It's still popular today. A brand new Jayco 212 QB is going to run you about $28,000 for comparison. But we have our AC right here with manual controls, big U-shaped dinette in the rear that drops down, makes a bed, your microwave, TV mount, little stereo system that hooks into the TV and runs the inside and outside speakers, 3-burner stove, oven, a gas electric Dometic fridge, ready to go boondocking there. That'll work off grid for you because it runs on propane. Nice tub shower with a fantastic fan. Those fans are outstanding. That works like an attic fan in here. Small medicine cabinet, your toilet and sink. Then a nice queen bed here with storage on either side and storage below the bed. And then right here, a little clothes hamper rather, that goes into your storage compartment. And that's a grill mount right there sitting in there. Pop this open. Room right here to store some more clothing. Your box for your Furrion backup camera I had mentioned earlier. And then a nice big sink. You can put all kinds of pots and pans in here. And they actually upgraded this sink attachment here as well. So this one's priced ready to go, guys. 17 grand out the door, 4,500 pounds, extremely easy to tow with a half-ton truck or a large SUV. Come and see us at Apache Village. My family and I would love to earn your business. Thank you very much.